We just got to Hunyuanxiang factory. They're a handbag and bag factory. ISO 9001 certified and 2000. Looks like a pretty good facility. Has maybe some dormitories here, and we'll be exploring around the facility and see how it looks. You know, if it's suitable to become a Sourcify factory, then you know we'll definitely be excited to work with them. So here we go, Guangzhou Yuan Leather Co. We're going up, going in. Guangzhou Yuan Leather Co. Here, the bar, you know, just hang away. A lot of different types of bags. You know, really some incredible styles here. So they do quite a lot. It's good.
这是你们的是吧？这是刚才在这里放的。
Biggest samples rooms I've seen. So you keep going here. So they've got looks like different brands and even some really cool duffel bags here. You know, these are really nice. So he says you can produce this bag for about $15. In America, you can probably sell this bag for over $100. This size bag in America sells pretty good. And you can still find sizes that you put logo here. So you put anything on the bag. Use any material, and you know that's the margin right there. That's you know 85% margin on this product right here. You can put shoes in there too. You got a place to put your shoes as well when you're traveling. Very important. I mean, really some good designs in here. So just think about the numbers and the ability to produce these bags. And now you got the leather section that they have. So they've got, you know, all these sort of leather bags as well. And you know, it enables them to showcase the variety of bags they're capable of doing. So really nice leather suitcases, briefcases, and I mean some of these bags, material is really good. It's pretty cool to see. So they've got even wallets here as well. All sorts of wallets. Nice. And I mean this wallet, how much this costs to produce? About so maybe 5 RMB. So you can produce for $4 or so. Maybe you sell this bag online for $20–25. Pretty good margin. And then they can also do some phone cases. Phone cases as well. So really some nice products here. See that we're just trying to get new business, right? So now we're checking out the factory here. It's meets our standards. This is a warehouse. See, this is how they make the leather like this. Yeah. That's how they put the bottoms together on the bag. So they check the bags here, make sure everything is properly working and on board, and then they put it in one of these things to make sure it's done right. They check each part to make sure that it's correct. The inside as well. Cutting loose any threads. The threads are loose, they cut it. Enable them to produce the product to quality standards important. Yeah, some of the sampling room right here. So this is how all the suitcases start. Just like this. It comes from the mold. They have to add all these different pieces, and then it comes together to make a full suitcase. So each stack is pressed together by a zipper to make it come to life.